Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mallory and I'm so glad that you clicked on this video today. Today's video vibes is very rainy, cozy. I wanted to wear this dress because where else will I wear it if I'll not wear it on like a random Sunday in my room, just because I want to look pretty and I want to feel pretty. This is pure cotton, by the way, best collaba causeway purchase ever. I want to find more of like these cotton soft dresses because I think I only paid like 300 or 400 for this, and I can wear this at home if I'm stepping out with like a cute cardigan. It just really feels like me and I feel very comfortable in it. I was so close to doom scrolling right now. I need to throw my phone away, but right now what I'm gonna do is actually make a handmade calendar. Now I know कि year को खत्म होने को सिर्फ 4 महीने बाकी है, and I feel like I have given you all this reality check कि सिर्फ 4 महीने बाकी है, because nobody, like no adult anymore has like a proper track of days in their life. Like maybe it's a personal opinion, because I feel like school में तो blackboard पे लिख के they would give us the day and date and everything. And college में I feel like वो counting days कि कभी college खत्म होगा, and after that none of us actually care about what date is anymore, and that is actually not a good thing, because you don't have track of where you're wasting time, what day is it tomorrow, how much time is left for this month to end. And especially if you're keeping some sort of like goals or like even realistic goals, you should be keeping a track of your days. And I feel like this is perfect because I'm gonna make a cute custom made calendar. Been so good at faking my life, because if I start and like kind of overshare about my life, it will be a lot for you all to digest, because I don't feel the best mentally and I just feel like I want to be open about it. Like I feel like I keep saying I feel like, it's just that there is so much going on in my mind right now that I forget to live in the present, and then when I think so much, I just keep thinking, and then I forget about what I have, about what I can do, about things that I can try that are different to make myself feel better. I mean, if you get it what I'm trying to say. And I also heard this one person say that the person's biggest enemy is their own mind, and I feel like yes, that is me, that is literally me. And all I know is that I have to keep trying, I have to keep being positive, and I just know that this is not it. I'm not gonna settle for this life. I still have so much more to achieve and so much more to do and so much more to learn. Literally learn. I have forgotten what does it feel like to learn in life, because I have not taken risks, I have not been out there, I have not been cringe in front of the camera, and you know, I'm just settling for very little. I feel like I need to do more.
So I had seen this type of handmade calendars that people were making at the start of the year. It was such a cool concept. They literally even make the grid hand painted, like the grid on which you'll write all the calendar number dates, which was honestly very, very cute. I wanted to make one for the entire month, but since it was my very first time painting after a really, really long time, I did not want to like overwhelm myself. So I just made one sheet for the month of September, and I'll do something different for the month of November and December again, and October.
Okay, welcome to my kitchen. Now we're going to do something very, very exciting. I've really wanted to bake snacks at home. I don't know if you all know this, but I am a big savory person. Like anything crispy, crunchy, little bit spicy, flavorful is literally what I'm in the mood for 24/7. I'm not a sweet person that much, so I love even like munching on snacks. I saw this one masoor dal chips recipe literally years ago and I've never made it, and I was like, you know what, since it's a Sunday reset, along with cleaning, I want to make some snacks that I love over the coming week that I can literally munch on. I'm gonna make a small batch of this. So I have washed this twice. I'll just do it one more time, and then I think the water should be clear.
Here's what the chips looked like. I have kind of roasted them so that they're entirely dry again. Now people have added garlic at this stage, but since I'm a Jain, I'm gonna add some sort of spices that I like of my own, like some jeera powder or maybe some curry patta. I feel like curry patta tastes so good if it's crushed. Like I can't take the whole leaf, but when I kind of taste it in like chutneys and my food, I love the flavor of curry patta. Add all my masoor dal that I just crushed with curry patta in this vessel. Some pepper, salt of course, a pinch of baking soda because I don't want them to be very hard, some chia seeds, some water to make a dough now. What I'm trying to do is just kind of apply some oil and then I'm just gonna like flatten the dough, scoop it out, and then I'm just gonna lay it on the parchment paper very carefully because this might break. Also guys, please don't mind the background sound, Ganuji is coming. So yeah, I'm gonna like kind of first cut this and I'm gonna stick it on the wall, but in like a very cute way. Let me show you. Okay, so here we have our little calendar for the month of September, and now I'm just gonna make 2 holes on this. Adorable. Like imagine me waking up on a random day on September and like ticking off all the days. I baked some snacks for myself. I did some painting. That was like a very small task. I feel like sometimes when you're starting something after a really long time, you don't want to be like, oh, mujhe itna kuch karna hai, itna time jayega, will I be good at it? Because I feel like sometimes you do think about these things if you're kind of bringing back your old hobbies back again. Now what is left in our task is to do some cleaning. Since it is a Sunday reset, we should be cleaning. Now what I want to do is at least remove 4 to 5 garments from my wardrobe because it is overloading. I keep buying new things, I don't get rid of the old ones, and then I don't wear clothes properly because I cannot find them properly. So let's quickly do some cleaning now. This is what we are dealing with. You guys know, you all have seen worse in my wardrobe. Like, ye to honestly kuch bhi nahi hai. I just have to like, you know, kind of keep things back properly in its place, and that will not take much time. One of the reasons I always have so much of pasira in my house is because I keep holding like these kind of uselessly weird things, but I still don't want to give this away. This is a Jim Thompson bag which is very vintage and old. If you can see, pehle ke zamane mein aise bag ke handles aate the. At least when I was a kid, I've seen such bags, and I just told my Masi that, are you gonna throw this? If you are, please just give it to me. I will kind of hoard stuff in this bag. I don't know मैं इसका क्या करूँगी, but I just want to keep it. Guys, our chips are ready and these are so yummy. I had like 2-3 kacha chips also midway because I couldn't resist. And this is like fully done. It's in this cute brown color.
suddenly started watching the originals, and I am a big fan. I don't watch that many shows, but when I do, I am very serious about them. And I feel like the originals is so much more better than Vampire Diaries. I feel like Vampire Diaries was just more of like a love triangle, but like the originals is like there are witches, and then there are hybrids, and then there are vampires. Like it's so much more fascinating to watch. So yeah, although in season 3, I don't want to give spoilers, but like during season 3, a very main person dies in the show, and that made me lose interest. But season 4 is kind of bringing back the excitement. So yeah.
Friends, and she came through for us once again. You felt her.
So I've never really shared this with you all, but I did get many questions as to how did I actually clear up my acne. Now I did visit a few doctors here and there, like of course dermatologists, and I don't think that really worked for me. Like even if it did, it kept reoccurring once I stopped the medicines. And I did try a few serums here and there which did potentially work, but I don't know, I am just a person who feels like there is so much of internal work that needs to be done. Like of course creams and serums help, but like internally I used to face a lot of acidity, and like you know how your stomach burns, that kind of a feeling, and I kept feeling that for a really long time. That is why I have been taking this acupuncture treatment, and I feel like that did kind of heal all of the cystic acne that I had. Now acupuncture is very expensive, and especially the place I go to is a bit expensive, but I feel like if you're clearing your body from like the inside, you know, these kind of treatments are expensive, and also there's a lot of research that the doctor does. For those who don't know, acupuncture is basically when you prick needles on certain body parts that are connected to your organs, and it just gets rid of the blockage that is there in that nerve, and then there's like better blood flow which clears out all the toxins from your body. So later in the day I did go to my acupuncture doctor. Now I don't know if I can possibly show needles on a YouTube channel, so maybe I'll have to blur everything. Is acupuncture painful? Yes, it is. Sometimes when they actually prick the nerve that is blocked, it will hurt more compared to other certain body parts, but I'm just a person who tries to not give attention to something I fear of. Like it's like if I'm scared of injections, I'll just think of something else while I'm doing it, or I'll just think of how I'll feel once my skin will look good. You know, I just think of other things.
You guys saw that yesterday I did a small little wardrobe clean out, and when I tell you I was waiting to film this taki main sab nikal paun to actually show it to you all, because I have hoarded these clothing pieces at least easily since 4 years. Like I have them before I started content creation, and I am a person who finds comfort in like worn out t-shirts. All have that one ugly grey t-shirt that we don't want to give away, and we keep re-wearing them even though it has like tiny holes in them. I am not ashamed to admit this, but I am a person who likes wearing like super thin, soft cotton worn out t-shirts. But you can tell after a certain point this does not make me feel good at home. Like it's just cropped, it's very short, and I spend so much of my time in my room. Sometimes I need good clothes to also feel productive at home. And yeah, I mean, if you can see, I got all of these from Zudio, and I've easily worn them for so many years. From Delhi, Sarojini. I thought it is a very pretty pink shirt, I wear it often, but it is just not flattering on me. Like I don't know why. And the best part about them are like these chicken curry inspired sleeves. It's in this very cute hot pink shade, and yeah, it looks very bright on camera, but it's just a nice cute hot pink color. So I'll give this away to someone who needs it. I also have a few worn out pajamas that I don't use. My favorite Forever 21 t-shirt. I got this itna saste mein from Nykaa Fashion. It was for like what, 350 rupees, and this whole cat has been chipped off, if you can tell. I feel like I'm giving you all a haul of all my worn out clothes, which is not that important. I have a few PJs that I got from Hill Road which are again worn out. So yeah, I'll just stop doing this. It's very embarrassing now, and I'll just kind of put these in a bag and then do the needful that needs to be done. Mom will be so happy because she keeps telling me to sirf naye kapde laati hai, you don't give away all the old ones, and this is not a good habit. Like you should give away the clothes that you don't wear. Like if you're bringing a new t-shirt in the house, you should be able to give away the old one. That's how you make place, and that's how you wear new clothes. It's cotton t-shirts. I need to restock on a few cotton t-shirts because I barely have any. You can tell, like these are very few ghar ke kapde. Stock on some pajamas and t-shirts. Going out tops. Here's my lingerie. I would want you all to help me with how else can I store my lingerie in this much of area, because I just don't have place to fit anything new. But like all of my lingerie just fits in this. Okay, I am manifesting a airport trip with this outfit, but it is so thick that I cannot wear it abhi, at least in this climate. So I'm gonna go and keep it up. I don't know if you can tell, but this just takes so much of place in my teeny tiny wardrobe that I need to literally put it somewhere else, because jagah hi nahi bachi hai mere wardrobe mein abhi.
Now I was just on my way to my acupuncture appointment. I did take a very big break beach me because I thought that my skin had healed, but I think I went there before my period. I just feel like sometimes taking a few sessions before your period is also very good. I think as a woman all your toxins get cleared during your period. That is why I took one session before my period. I didn't even realize but I was PMSing in this video, so I think I'm doing my best with the way I could possibly behave. It's almost gone. That's just the
두 눈을 감아 가만히 더 늘
I hate it each time I take a nap and my bed suddenly looks so comfortable.
And like then I'm stuck in this 2-hour date and it's so awkward and I like don't your gut was more excited about the other one, go with the other one. Don't even give yourself time to make a goal for yourself, realizing that it's not that scary. And then, you know, maybe you could start not making them. Okay, moving on. Somebody said, how do I stop overthinking why do I do that? In my life, in my experience.
Guys, I don't know if you've already seen my bathroom, but this looks so pretty. I'm kind of doing like a season 2 for my bathroom makeover, which will come pretty soon. But yeah, it will be so pretty. I can't wait for it to at least come together. But right now what I'm gonna do is literally organize all my bathroom stuff. I have so much of stuff. I just need to put the things that I'll use a bit ahead and like kind of rearrange everything and just kind of keep this free and empty because otherwise it looks very cluttered. I also got rid of a few razors, and by few I mean all of them, because they were literally blunt and they did not have that lining to it, and then this could cause many cuts. So I also have to restock a few razors now, and I also cleaned so much of stuff. I need to complete these, so I'll just place them here. That green.
You kept it here. Have you kept it here, Maleri? 140 mg जितना coffee तो मैं पीती हूँ, but this has 70 ml. And I know you will never make this for me every day because if we end up in a fight or something.
But did you like it? I made it a bit strong.
So she makes it with this blueberry thing.
It's jam, strawberry jam.
That is, oh, this strawberry.
How can you taste blueberry? It's literally strawberry.
They all are berries.
Diya,
I like this particular one. Otherwise
you
I'm
like my
sorry,
jam
but,
matcha.
Yeah, I don't like the other plain wala matcha. I don't think I've acquired the taste.
So that means you like sugar. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm finally going to get the plate that I painted, and I want to document this because I wanted like a very nice memory of it. And yeah, I'm very nervous. I don't know how will it look. I added a lot of white while painting it to make it look pastel, but I have no clue how will it look once it's baked. Like, I kept adding white to a point where I couldn't even see what I was painting. I was just adding white to all pastel colors. So yeah, the weather is so good. I've just come out for a walk with an umbrella, and I'm just gonna pick my plate up and then I'll show it to you all.
Uncle.
बहुत ही प्यारी है.
हाँ. Also, you guys, Marine Drive looks so pretty, but I'm so scared to go there because of Ganesh Chaturthi. Like, it's extremely crowded.